Welcome to another lesson with Ming. Today we talk about balancing an equation. This should be very simple. So treat this as a review. One thing that we know is that if you have two real numbers and these are a equal to b, so two real numbers a equal to b, then if you have a plus c on one side, so if you add c to one side, so say to a, then you have to add another c to the b side in order to make it balanced. Because, for example, at the moment my hands, two hands are A and C. So this is a balance. So if I have one pen here, oops, this becomes heavier, so it's imbalance. So in order for B to be balanced with A plus C, I need to have another pen on my other side. So in this case, now it's balanced. Okay? So we have this. If instead of addition, it's subtraction. It's the same thing. So if in here I take away one pen, then this will be a lighter, so it becomes imbalanced. So this side I have to drop another pen to be balanced. So A minus C equal to B minus C, for example. Right. Similarly with multiplication, if you have A equal to B again for any real number, you have K times A equal to K times B. So if A is multiplied by K number, then B must be multiplied by the same K number for them to be balanced. And division, the same thing. Now division actually is a special case of multiplication, because division here, you can see division here as a special case of A over K here can be seen as A times 1 over K. So this is the same as 1 over K times A, for example. So this is the same as that. And obviously when you're dividing by K, K cannot be equal to 0. Otherwise, division by 0 is not defined. Okay? So now with this idea, let's look at how we can apply this. For example, right? Example number 1, we have 5x. For example, plus 2 is equal to 7. I want to balance this, right? I want to solve for x. Well, one way to solve it is to, for example, plus 2. I need to get rid of plus 2, so I need to minus 2, right? But if I minus 2 on one side, I need to minus 2 on both sides to be equal, to be balanced. So this is 5x plus 0 equal to 7 minus 2, this is 5. So 5x now, I need to get rid of 5, but this is a multiplication, so I need to get rid of the multiplication, I need to divide. So 5x divided by 5, equal to 5 divided by 5, so x is equal to 1. So this is how I've done it. Now usually, people usually don't do it this way, then plus 2 minus 2 this way. Usually it is done like this: 5x plus 2 equal to 7. Plus 2 need to get rid of plus 2. You move to the other side. See, minus 2. So move to the other side. Move the plus 2 to the other side. Become minus 2. So this becomes faster. Basically, this step is the same as that, right? Plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So 7 minus 2. So we get 5. Here's 5x. And then to get rid of 5. This is multiplication, go to the other side, becomes division. So x equal to, like this, 5 divided by 5. So x equal to 1. So see, this is slightly easier compared to the one in blue. Alright, let's look at another example. Example 2. I now have a 12 minus 3x equal to minus 6. Okay? Alright, so first I need to get rid of 12. So 12 go to the other side. Here's plus 12 go to the other side, become, very good, negative 12. So that is become negative 18. Here's negative 3x. Now I need to get rid of negative 3. So this is a multiplication. So go to the other side, become division. Okay, because this is negative number, I use a bracket to make it clearer. So negative divided by negative is positive. So the answer here is just 6, for example. Right, x equal to 6. Okay, now let's look at one more example. So this is 2 minus 3 x minus 6 equal to 12. Alright, question number 3. You might want to do question number 3 by yourself first by pausing this video. And once you're ready, you can check your answer by playing the video again. Alright, you may pause now. Okay, let's check the answer. First, we will expand the thing in the bracket. 3 times 6 becomes 18. Alright, so I have 2 minus 3x plus 18 equal to 12. 2 plus 18 is 20. So I have 20 minus 3x equal to 12. So 20 go to the other side. This is plus 20 go to the other side, become negative 20. Very good. So I have to 12 minus 20, that is equal to minus 8. And here I again multiply by negative 3, go to the other side, means divided by negative 3. So the answer here is 8 over 3. So in this case it's a fraction, 8 over 3, a fraction. You can leave it as it is, right? In IB, it's acceptable to leave your answer in fraction. In fact, a fraction is preferable. If you write this as a 2.66666, actually it's worse, right? If you, right? 8 over 3 is nice, and you can leave it as it is. Okay, you want to try another example? Yep, alright, so here's the last example, right? Number 4. Here, I'm just making this up. Minus 5 minus 7x equal to 2x plus 3, for example. Alright, here I have an equation like this. So, first thing is to group all the variables, the term with x together, and then group the things with numbers together. So, negative 7x go to the other side becomes positive 7x. This plus 3, let's do it step by step. Alright, so this plus 3 go to the other side become minus 3. So minus 8 equal to 9x. So x is equal to a negative 8 over 9. So that's my answer. Okay.